Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome to another edition of my bare face. We are doing another unboxing, and it is of course the BOXCHARM unboxing. And yes, this is pretty late. This is the latest I've ever done like my BOXCHARM. Surprisingly, I've been getting my BOXCHARM a little bit earlier in the month than I used to. So I usually always upload it and do it earlier in the month, but I've been a little bit busy, so I'm just finally getting to film it right now. And of course I am doing the try-on version of this instead of just unboxing the products. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump in here. And I do follow BOXCHARM on Instagram, so as always I know what comes in here. I opened my box actually, so I know what to do. I mean, I'm barefaced anyway. I don't really have much to say anymore. Let's just jump into the video, and yeah. Let's go into the box. I got in the BOXCHARM box, and this is in the Boxy Bash theme, and we get 6 products in here. You do get 20% off Cover FX if you use code BOXY, and for Pure Cosmetics you get 15% off using code BOXYMAY. So yes, definitely take advantage of those codes. And yeah, because this is BOXCHARM's birthday month, it includes 6 products in here, which is pretty awesome. What subscription box does that? Okay, alright, so face is clear. And the only thing I have on is my moisturizer, of course. And then let's jump into the first product that came into this box, and this is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. I'm super happy because I've been wanting to try this primer actually. And I've actually needed a primer, so super excited to get my hand on it. I'm going to put that on my face. Wow, it's really dissolved pretty quickly. For some reason, I thought it was more of a silicone-y feeling. This is the Cover FX Blurring Primer, as I mentioned, and it is $38. Pretty awesome. I love getting Cover FX products because it is a high quality brand, and it being in a subscription box that only cost me $21 is pretty amazing, you guys. So I'm just never gonna get over that. I'm going to do the eyes first. I'm thinking of not doing too much to the eyes, so I'm going into this ColourPop Super Shock Shadow, and this is in the shade Millionaire. So it's like a nice gold shade. I'm just going to pop this all over the eyes, and that's pretty much going to be it, you guys. I mean, nothing too fancy. I don't know, I'm thinking I might want to go in with the crease shade, but we shall see. I'm just going to fix the crease a little bit. Really nice. I like the simple eye look. And then the product that I got in my BOXCHARM is this pretty vulgar The Ink Gel Eyeliner. So cute in this cute little jar. This retails for $24. And it is a highly pigmented gel eyeliner. Provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. Okay. So I'm not really a fan of these type of eyeliner. So yeah, this is going to be quite different for me. But I think they also included these brushes in here. So these are the Aesthetica 3-piece eye trio. And it retails for $45. Damn, it's quite pricey. So let's go in here. We got 3 brush right here. Pretty awesome. I'm thinking about going in with this one, but I don't really work with these type of brushes a lot for my eyeliner, so I'm kind of afraid. So let's go in with this one instead. So it's a fine tip eyeliner brush. Oof, yeah. Okay, yeah. It's pretty deep in here. I don't know how I feel about that. It's like, what if the product gets, like, what if I use the product like a lot and it just keeps going down and down and down? Okay, so so far it's pretty dark. I feel fill it in. Oh my gosh, it's a little bit. Okay, yeah, there we go. A little bit more creamier. Just add the tip a little bit right there. So the eyeliner is pretty nice on the eyes, really creamy. After I started dipping my brush in there, I thought it was really creamy. So it's really nice. Alright, so let's stray away from the eyes for now and let's go back to the face. Of course, I want to go in with my foundation and all of that first.
20 minutes later.
Alright, next on the list is this Pure Sculptor. Cute little white packaging, and it contains a contour palette. How pretty is this? So it has two highlighters. So this is from Pure. I'm going to be dipping my brush into this one because I feel like this one might be a little bit too dark on my skin. So we go into that one on the cheeks. Wow, that is really pigmented. Oh my gosh, they actually added this brush. So this is actually a brush that they included. It's the face brush, actually like a bigger brush. It's been good. I think I will add my blush with this brush. And this contour palette is $30. Wow. Pigmentation is really good though. As you can see, like it definitely shows, really pigmented, which I really like. For blush, I'm going in with the Jouer blush palette. This is the Adore Blush Duo. So it has two pretty blush here. I'll be going into this pinker shade right here called Adore Me. I'm going to be using this Aesthetica P12 brush. Pretty big it is. This one, $27. This one costs $27, so pretty big and nice. Let's just see how it performs. Oh, nice. Okay, really nice. And then let's go in with this beautiful highlight right here called Originator. And I'm going to be applying that right here. Nice. Who's popping? I love it. And we're going to finish off with the last product that I got in the BOXCHARM, and it is the BOXCHARM and Beauty Creations matte lip gloss. So it looks like came in this cute little unicorn. I think it's super cute. Usually lip gloss are not matte, right? So that's kind of unique. So it's like bubblegum or something. And this is the lip color. Pretty nice. I think this looks really nice on the lips. And it's definitely drying down. I did have to apply it a couple of times. I would say like about 3 layers before I fully covered like my whole lips. But other than that, that doesn't bother me as much. I just like the pigment on the color, and just to see how long it lasts on my lips and if it's going to like really dry on my lips. Actually has like a minty tingling feelings on my lips right now, so I'm not really sure why it's like that. Alright, so this is the finished look that I created with my box. Oh, I totally forgot to mention the last product in there. The liquid lip gloss retails for $10. Oh, not bad at all. And for this color, it's pretty. I'm pretty sure they have other colors as well. So this is not the only color, but I love this color. It's in the shade Sweetheart. It's actually really drying. So I really don't know how I feel about that, but we'll just have to see how it is the rest of the day. But yeah, I really like everything as usual. I really have not been disappointed with BOXCHARM lately. I think they've been really delivering like really good products. We have a total of $174 for this box, and I paid $21 as usual. So I really don't understand, if you don't have BOXCHARM, what are you doing with your life? Get it. Please don't forget to thumbs up, like, and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.